Here we are with Team Dark at Hang Castle. So if you want a little peek behind the curtain of what we do at bug.me.with.a.caterpie, it's been like a couple months since we played this game, so I forget how to play.
Never mind. Let's go. That blue hedgehog like me. What did the doctor say about my memory? And just who am I?
Alright, I said this while we played as Team Sonic, but this is like one of my favorite levels in video game history. I'm always a sucker for a good Halloween level in video games. Alright, people, also give me feedback in the chat if you're watching live on Twitch and or YouTube. Please give me feedback if things look jittery, laggy, stuttery, all that, any of that bad stuff.
Illogical.
What?
Hopefully, if you're watching this as a YouTube episode, things will be smooth. But I digress. Let's just dive into the gameplay and ignore the fourth wall.
Annihilate. Fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Kill the witch.
Fire, fire.
Level up!
Step aside.
Oh, I fucking hate using the speed character.
Now's the time.
Their shit never works like that.
Annihilate.
What are we doing? Oh, that's what we're doing.
Annihilate. Annihilate. Annihilate.
Yeah, spam. The spam box. Box? Yeah, box. Square. Do you call it square or is it box? On a PlayStation controller.
Is flipped right side up.
It's not X, it's actually cross. It's not circle, it's actually... Well, that's circle. Okay. It's not triangle, it's actually a prism. There we go. What else could circle be called? If X is supposed to be cross and square is supposed to be box, then what's triangle and circle? They remain the same? You tell me how you break down a PlayStation controller. Why the jumping's not working? Alright, is the stream looking okay, folks? Give me feedback, please. I do not want to do any more work if things are going to be shitty.
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
Where's the switch?
Looks like we might be able to go down.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Good. Worthless switch detected.
Worthless consumer models. Go! Stay the flying character. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm looking at the stream. It looks like it's laggy.
Got it.
Please be good. Please let this be coherent action that you guys are watching.
Worthless consumer models.
Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Seriously, where do we go? Oh.
Annihilate. Fire, fire.
Bro.
Fire, fire, fire.
Robot.
Worthless consumer models.
This way?
Those torches seem to be lined up for some reason.
Get away, get away.
Annihilate. Fire, fire.
Who got level up? Someone, I heard the sound.
Kill.
No, no. Psst. Please, Shadow. Fuck, that never works properly.
Watch this.
Annihilate. Fire, 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 fire.
Damn.
Worthless consumer models.
Fuck you!
Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilation. Kill. The doors open.
What the f- Oh, the doors in back. Okay, I'm like, why are we back here?
Annihilate. Fire. 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 Annihilate guard.
Can you please kill the robot?
Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilation. Fire. 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 Annihilate.
Damn. Are things stuttering on your end, chat? I'm looking over at the chat, at the screen. I'm looking at the stream, I'm trying to say. Fuck. Looks like it's stuttering. Fuck you, stutter.
Step aside. Fire.
Are we gonna go forward to where the stick was? No, the stick.
Come on.
I'll take it from here.
Good job, Rogue. Fuck, is it?
Level up. We're on.
Make it. Woo! Are we dead?
Gravity detected.
What?
Anti-gravity. Forgot how long this level was. And we're jumping off because oh, we can just fly down. Okay, good, 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 good. Right in front of you. Thank you. Whoa! Please render.
We're on.
Level up.
We're on. All right.
And we're dead. Fuck, where did we last save? Please, can this thing just record smoothly?
Yeah.
The horizon has turned upside down.
Damn, give me feedback, chat. Are things like coherent that you're watching right now, or should I turn it off and restart? Come on, give me feedback, please.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard.
I'll take it from here.
Kill.
I'll take it from here.
Doesn't look like we'll be able to move on.
No problem. Let's get moving.
Fuck you.
Annihilate. Fire. 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 Annihilation.
Get the
Fire.
die.
Annihilation.
Level up.
I'll take it from here.
Where do we gotta go? Oh, I guessed completely. And we're all the way back here.
I'll take it from here.
Yeah, why did I do that? I just fell down. I know where we have to go from there.
Horizon has turned upside down.
Just hold box. We're square. Fuck!
We're off. We're off.
Why is this happening? Sure, just bounce around. Grab a coin. One coin.
Kill.
From here. We're off.
Fuck!
Ah!
How many lives we got? Alright, we got enough. Got plenty, they would say.
Go.
I love bouncing around like an idiot.
Annihilate.
Take it from here. We're
Almost died there. Shit.
What?
No idea what I'm doing.
We're off.
Just fall, just fall, just fall.
Doesn't look like we'll be able to move on.
No problem. Let's get moving.
I'm going to keep killing myself there, aren't I? Okay.
I'll take it from here. We're off.
There we go. Call that a shortcut. I'm getting the speedrun strats down. Look at that.
Has turned upside down.
Oh, please. Man, when I watch this back, this better be coherent footage.
We're off.
Or how do I speed strat this? Looks like I'm doing the opposite.
We're off.
Yo! Fucking hate this game. I hate this game so much.
Doesn't look like we'll be able to move on.
Alright, oh, now I know what I had to say. Chat, and all of you watching live, or anyone watching, wherever you're watching, however you're watching, we have a special announcement to make. I want to stop playing this game. I really want to finish the Team Shadow or Team Dark storyline and then stop playing the game. How would y'all feel if I did that? Do you guys want to see me complete the Team Rose and Team Chaotic storylines? Or would you be cool if I quit this game after Team Dark was done?
I'll take it from here.
Because I have a few games in mind that I would rather move on towards than continue this game, which I despise. And look how it looks right now. It's really fucked up, especially on your end, stream, chat, all you guys.
I'll take it from here.
So if you guys have a problem with me quitting this game, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop playing this in lieu for something on my Switch. That's all I'll say for now. Little teaser. I do have a game planned for after this,
I'll take it from here.
but will I
Must be a
reveal it now?
switch for this
No, I won't.
door somewhere.
So just let me repeat myself, chat. If you want to see me do Team Rose and Team Chaotic, please let me know, and I'll continue playing this game. Otherwise, I'm going to continue. Well, I'm going to stop playing the game and start a brand new game on my Switch.
Retractable door detected.
So DM me, leave a comment, talk to me, all that goodish. Where do we gotta go?
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
I don't see it. Where's there a switch anywhere?
Retractable door detected. Annihilate. 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 Annihilate.
Retractable door.
I'll take it from here.
What do I do? What? I don't know what to do. Retractable doors? I don't... What? The front door's missing!
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
I'm not going to die just to find a switch somewhere that doesn't exist. Is there something underneath that I'm missing? There's no underneath. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Retractable door detected.
There must be a switch for this door somewhere. There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
Where is it though? Oh, see what I mean? I really, really want to quit this
There must
game.
be a switch for this door somewhere.
God, does it even look good on your end, chat? Are you guys understanding what you're looking at? Or is it so laggy and stuttery?
Door detected.
It's annoying. Ugh, fuck this. Where's the switch for this?
Retractable door detected. Retractable door detected.
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
I don't see it.
Annihilate.
Fuck you!
I'll take it from here.
Here they come.
Omega, attack them.
Eggman's robots must be eliminated. Fire! Fire!
Fire?
Fire! Annihilate jar! Annihilate jar! Annihilate jar! Annihilate jar! Annihilate jar! Annihilation!
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate! Annihilate jar! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Level up.
Kill! Annihilation. Fire, fire. Kill.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate. Fire, fire.
Halfway point, thank you.
Level up.
What a strange tower the doctor has built. Let's have a look around.
Why? I don't want to do that.
Annihilate. Fire.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate.
I'm so scared that we're gonna die. I got scared. I got scared. Okay, power formation is to break through the walls every stage. Really a puzzle piece. What is it? Every... thanks, chat. Also, how do things look in your end? Is the stream like really jittery?
What a strange
Not jittery.
tower
What's the word I'm
the
looking for?
doctor has built. Let's have a look around.
Stuttery. Is the stream really stuttery? Laggy? Let me know.
Fire, fire.
Alright, we're supposed to look around.
Fire, fire. Annihilate. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Annihilate, annihilate. Fire.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate, annihilate. Annihilate. Fire.
Did we do the thing? Yeah, here we go.
What?
I'll take it from here.
Just in case, we gotta fly. Save our butts from something.
Annihilate. Fire, fire. Fire. Activation ready.
We're not going to use the team blast yet. Not just yet. Not just yet. Not just yet.
Fire, fire.
I'll take it from here. Level up.
Worthless consumer models.
Why are we going backwards? Elect your power up. Or level up, whatever. We are freaking the fuck out here. Woo! Alright, what's going on with chat? Hold on. Why is the game... Oh my god, this chat's so annoying. Why is the game so laggy and slightly slow? You tell me, chat. I don't know why. It is running smoothly on my end, but when I start recording and streaming, it gets laggy and slow. So if you got solutions for me, please tell me. I'm not here to hear complaints. I'm here to hear solutions.
Fire, fire.
Don't complain to me.
Annihilation.
Give me solutions, chat. No time for complaints. Only time for solutions.
Fire.
Like, I'm literally playing it right now on my end, and it looks smooth and fine. But then I look at the stream, and yeah, it's laggy and kind of slow. What's going on? I don't know what's going on there. When I did my testing before I started the stream, it was fine.
Just watch this.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate. Charge. Fire, fire. Fire. Kill. Fire. Annihilation.
What's with this ugly statue?
Rouge, there's the target switch. Can you handle it?
I'll take it from here.
Come on.
Got it.
That was easy. Oh, fuck.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Fire. Annihilation. Worthless consumer models.
What the fuck? Yay.
I'll take it from here. Take this.
Why is this game so doing this?
The only option is to break the walls.
We have to break the walls to continue moving on.
Fire. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Fire.
Level up.
Worthless consumer models.
Uh-oh. Sure. This is the right way, right?
Jump. Jump.
Yeah, chat, do things look like coherent to you? Do you understand what's going on, or is it too laggy? Or do I need to scrap this altogether?
Let's jump.
I don't want to, honestly. I'm kind of done with this game. At this point, I'm just gonna speed run the rest of this game and get it done with. And I'm only doing Team Rose and Team Chaotic if y'all beg me to do it, because you kind of have to.
There's someone there.
I plan on stopping after I'm done with this shit here. Fuck you!
Mission complete.
Get me out of here. Why are we taking so long? Hey, there we go.
I couldn't even beat Gamma or Beta.
Sure. Moving on to the next area. Mystic Mansion. Escape the crazy castle.
Inside the castle.
Sure is spooky in here.
Initiating interior search. Annihilate. Annihilate. Charge. 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 Annihilate. Charge.
That was fun. Yeah, fun.
We must use a switch to open this door.
Or we can clip through. No? Okay. That wasn't a switch? Where's the switch?
Annihilate. Annihilate. Charge. Annihilation.
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Annihilate.
Where is the switch? Where is my Nintendo Switch?
I'll take it from here.
I don't see a switch. You're lying to me, people. Lying to me.
Retractable door detected.
There is no switch to be found.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire. Annihilate. Charge. Annihilation. Annihilation. Annihilation.
We must use a switch to open this door.
I understand this. I understand this.
I'll take it from here. Any time now.
That's not the switch. This is very bad. Very bad gameplay. Why can't I find a switch?
I'll take it from here.
Annihilation. Fire, fire.
Am I insane? Where is switch they speak of?
Combat ability of these two are beyond my expectations.
I'll take it from here.
Retractable door detected.
There is no switch anywhere. Hello?
Annihilate, 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 annihilate,
There must be a switch for this door somewhere.
Yeah, I don't see it.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilation.
This is so dumb. Can you please?
Got it.
I wasn't hitting that the entire. Wasn't I not hitting that the entire time? I want to stop this game so bad. What's the point of that?
Here they come.
Omega, attack them.
Eggman's robots must be eliminated. Annihilation. Fire, fire.
Yes, give me that.
Level up.
Eradicate.
Try going up there.
I'll take it from here. Level up.
Nice. Anything else to take advantage of? Oh, give me that shield.
You lose rings if that robot with a cloak casts a spell on you. Level up.
This switch is mysterious.
Annihilate.
Yeah.
Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Kill.
Fuck you.
Fire. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilation.
I'll take it from here.
Kill.
Level up. I'll take it from here.
Annihilate. Annihilate charge. Annihilate charge. Annihilation.
I'll take it from
Son of a
here.
bitch. How dare you live?
Annihilate danger.
Knew it. I knew it.
Level up. Mission failed. Annihilate. Annihilate. Good. Annihilation. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire. Annihilation. 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 Eradicate.
Yeah, just keep missing.
Sure is a mysterious switch.
Fire, fire, fire. Annihilation. 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 Activation ready. Annihilation. Annihilation. Worthless consumer models.
Level up!
Alright, we're not gonna do this.
Annihilate. Annihilate. Good. Fire, fire. Annihilation. 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 Fire, fire. Annihilation. Annihilation.
Noise. Noise.
Annihilation.
Oh, this son of a bitch. Thanks for telling me. I never would have jumped if you didn't tell me. No cap.
Use the brakes and jump. Square button to brake and X button to jump.
Oh, we could have jumped for that. Whatever.
Obstacle approaching.
Oh, whatever.
Level up!
We lost Shadow last minute, but who cares?
Annihilate. Annihilation. Annihilation. Fire, fire. Annihilation. Annihilation. Annihilation.
No, no. Go to the box, see what other things we got.
Fire, fire.
You got it!
Switch detected ahead.
Sure, let's test these out. This one? Hey. This one? No. There we go. Now turn around. Can I see? Can I see? Fuck. What? Why'd you jump off of that?
Doesn't compute. Illogical. Annihilate. 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 Annihilate.
Only option is to break the walls.
Annihilate. 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 Worthless
Only
consumer
option
models.
is to break the walls.
Annihilation. Annihilation. Fire, fire. Annihilation. Annihilation.
Here we go. Oh! Crashing out on you fucking assholes for doing that to me.
Kill.
That we died.
I'll take it from here.
This switch is mysterious.
Fuck you.
Moving.
Annihilate. Annihilation. 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 Annihilation.
What a bunch of annoying punks. Let's take care of them.
They're dead. Don't worry.
Step aside.
Level up!
Just keep smashing the same button, and you'll win. How strong is this fucking thing? Okay, team last? No?
Unlit torches. Wonder if...
Wonder if what?
The unlit torches must be the key. Annihilate. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
There we go, I guess.
I have a bad feeling about this. Let's jump!
Charge. Annihilation.
No, 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 we're not dying.
Annihilation.
I'll take it from here!
Woo!
Kill. Good.
I'll take it from here!
Annihilate. Level up. Annihilate.
I'll take it from
I found it this time. Fuck you. Yeah, this game sucks.
Annihilate.
Fuck you, bro. Oh, they died.
Already?
Oh.
Jump! Jump!
Obstacle approaching.
Whoa. Oh, okay. Wait, what the fuck?
Level up.
I'll take it from here!
Yeah, that was too risky. Don't do that shit again.
There's another trolley. Let's get on it.
Damn, anxiety. Drenched in anxiety sweat.
All right.
Woohoo!
Annihilate. Level up.
Not this bullshit again.
Annihilate. Fire, fire. Fire. Fire, fire.
Stop sliding around so much. You're gonna die.
Fire, fire.
I'll take it from here!
Eggman's robot. Primary target.
We got him.
All right!
We may be able to use triangle jump.
Triangle jump.
It's all over if you fall. I'll take it from here!
Woo, correct guessing.
I'll take it from here.
I'll take it from...
Let's go down.
Annihilate. Annihilate.
Bitch!
Annihilate guard. Fire.
I'll take it from here. We're off.
Annihilate guard.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa.
Annihilate guard.
I'll take it from here.
Annihilate.
I can't really tell where we are.
Sure feels spooky.
This is really bad game design.
I'll take it from here.
Bitch!
Just watch this.
What is this place?
Damn, hold on. Oh, God, I hate how bad this looks. It really looks so bad, but we're gonna grit our teeth and get through it. After this will be the last level for Sonic or Team Dark, I think.
I guess they wanted to challenge us.
We're off.
We're doing this one first, really.
I'll take it
This
from
is
here.
a job for Shadow.
I'll take it from here.
I don't see properly.
Just a splash.
How can Shadow do this? We're going to die. Go right there. Oi. They want us to go over there.
We're off.
No! We're on our last life. Yeah, hold on. Real quick. You're going to create a save state. All right. Now we have infinite lives because I don't want to run back this level from the beginning. I really don't.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire.
What a bunch of annoying punks. Let's take care of them first.
Worthless
We
consumer
may be able
models.
to use triangle jump.
Danger. Steep grade ahead.
I'll take it from here.
Oh yeah, I've got to do all this shit again. Okay, let's go.
Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard.
Let's go down.
Annihilation. Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilate guard. Activation ready.
Level up.
Eradicate. Guard. Annihilate guard. Annihilation.
Fuck you!
This place is suspicious.
Fuck, I hate this!
I'll take it from here.
Fuck you!
Just watch this.
What is this place?
Detecting 3 alters.
I guess they wanted to challenge us.
I hate this so much. It's a speed challenge that ruins this entire run for us.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire.
I'll take it
I'll
from
take
here.
it from here.
Annihilate. Fire. Fire.
Level up.
Fire.
I'll take it
I'll
from
take
here.
it from here.
Kill.
This sucks. Where do I go? There's no way I can make it over there or something. Ah! We're gonna do this like this. Save state. Right here. Gonna save the state right here and then have infinite tries on whatever the fuck we want to try. Nope, nope, nope. So that. Alright, so what are we supposed to do here? Is the answer nothing? I don't understand. Alright, let's go this way now. There's nothing to advance towards. Was it just kill things? That's all you gotta do? Just kill?
Affirmative. Annihilate.
I did not want to do that.
Chaos control.
Just get this over with, please.
Level up.
Okay, I think we do just fight.
I'll take it from here.
There's no way to advance to any other platform or anything.
Looks like this one's for me.
Fire. 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 Fire.
Now let's go back.
Eradicate.
I'll take it from here.
Okay. Wow, Team Sonic was definitely way more challenging. I thought Team Dark was supposed to be hard mode.
Eliminated.
Hard
I
mode.
knew we could do it.
Don't let
Hard
your
mode. Hidden. I can't even talk right now because I can't
All right.
fathom my sanity right now. Damn. Well, sometimes the stream looks good. Sometimes the stream looks bad. But like, what I'm looking at as I'm playing the game looks phenomenal. I don't know how, from what I'm doing to the stream, is messing things up. Please give me advice, people.